Okay, so when we look at that as far as the word restrictions, there are amounts we want to look at as far as for that particular year for tax advantages. So, for instance, with regards to federal, state, FICA, unemployment taxes, and self-employment taxes, if we're doing things a specific way, we will look at those with regards. And we'll see whether or not there is going to be an impact of specific type of taxes and whether or not there is an advantage by paying a specific amount. So we will plan accordingly and legally. We will look at what that position has to be paid on average according to maybe the state that they live in and the type of business activity they're engaging. One of the things we look at is I go to something called salary.com, and I'll look at their experience level, and based on their experience level, there's usually something with low, mid, or high based on that salary, and we'll plan accordingly, and then we'll look at the impact of the taxation, and then we'll plan that out. So I look at the type of entity, I look at the activity they're engaging in, I look at how much experience they have, and then I plan as far as what type of deductions we want to be getting, and then I plan as far as the impacts of the taxation. I look at that and I plan accordingly as to the income amount I want to be paying them for tax planning. And then we look at legally if that can be applied. And then I go to their CPA, if they have a CPA that they're working with, and I ask them if they feel comfortable with that from an audit standpoint. And if they're working with our CPA, I already know the person is going to be comfortable with the strategy.